Welcome, Feedback Productions. I got a package in the mail the other day. Normally I don't do unboxings, but I reviewed another channel, Deaf Drone Pilot. I want to give a shout out to him. He did a unboxing from Wish. It was a Bugs 3. I know they're 2 years old, but it was a steal for $43 with shipping 3 days. So big shout out to him. So let's get into unboxing this and see if it's really in the package. Seems to be in there. Got the Bugs 3. I've been wanting this for a while, and when I saw the price for $43, I couldn't pass it up. So it's tape on the ends here. Set this box over here. Oop. Inside we do have the manual and the stickers. So that's a big plus. Let's get back and open this. So, got the Bugs. Everything seems to be packaged up nicely. Everything's in the package. We have the Bugs. Bugs here. It's all wrapped in nice plastic. 8 sets of blades. Prop guides, which I won't be using. The GoPro mount. Landing gear. Prop tools. I won't be using the landing gear neither. A charger. And on the bottom is the remote, which feels nice. Toy grade, but it feels good. So yeah, everything looks good. Everything came in. It was only 3 days to ship from Wish. I've never ordered anything from Wish before. I was a little skeptical, you know, on getting it because it was from Wish, but everything seems to be fine. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content on the Bugs when I get it out there and fly. It's a bit rainy today, so I won't be able to get out there today. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.